Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to fix your Frameo digital photo frame if it's not working properly. First, gently tap the center of the screen. That should bring up the menu. If nothing appears, make sure the frame is actually powered on and the screen isn't just in sleep mode. Check the power cable and confirm the outlet is working. Once you're in the settings menu, open the notifications section. Sometimes the frame will alert you about issues like low storage, Wi-Fi disconnection, or problems receiving new photos. You can also adjust sound settings here if alerts are bothering you. If your frame feels slow or isn't displaying new pictures, storage might be full. Go into Backup and Restore in Settings and back up your photos to the cloud. Freeing up space can instantly improve performance and allow new images to sync properly. Still having issues? Head to the Help section inside Settings. Frameo includes built-in support articles, and you can contact their support team directly from there for further assistance. If the device still won't function correctly, check the warranty details in the Support or Privacy section. Depending on how long you've owned it, you may qualify for a replacement or refund.